Git tags are references that point to specific points in Git history. They are used to mark release points and important milestones in a project's development. Think of them as permanent pointers to specific commits. Git tags are commonly used for version releases such as version 1.0.0 or version 2.1.5. There are two main types of tags: lightweight and annotated. These tags can be shared with remote repositories, allowing others to access specific release points. There are two primary types of Git tags: lightweight tags and annotated tags. Lightweight tags are simple pointers to specific commits. They store only the commit checksum without any additional information. To create a lightweight tag, you can use the command git tag v1.0.0-light. To list the available tags, use the command git tag. This will display a list of all available tags, including the newly created lightweight tag. Annotated tags, on the other hand, are full objects in the Git database. They contain additional metadata such as the tagger's name, email, date, and a tagging message. To create an annotated tag, use the command git tag -av1.0.0-m, release version 1.0.0. To view the details of an annotated tag, use the command git show v1.0.0. This will display the tagger information, date, and the release message. Git tags can be created for the current commit or for a specific commit in history. By convention, tags often follow semantic versioning, which consists of major, minor, and patch numbers. To tag the current commit with a lightweight tag, use the command git tag v1.0.0. For an annotated tag, which is the recommended approach, use the command git tag -av1.0.0-m, release version 1.0.0. You can also tag a specific commit using its commit hash. For a lightweight tag on a specific commit, use the command git tag v0.9.0, a 1b2c3d. For an annotated tag on a specific commit, use the command git tag -av0.9.0-m, beta release, a 1b2c3d. Remember, it is best practice to use annotated tags for releases, as they contain valuable metadata like the tagger's name, date, and message. To list all the tags in your repository, you can use the command git tag. This will display a list of all available tags such as v0.9.0, v1.0.0, and v1.1.0. You can also filter the tags by using a pattern. For example, to list all tags starting with v1, you can use the command git tag -l v1.star. This will display the tags that match the specified pattern, such as v1.0.0 and v1.1.0. To view the details of a specific tag, you can use the command git show v1.0.0. This will display the tag details, including the tagger information, date, release message, and the associated commit details. By default, the git push command does not automatically transfer tags to remote servers. To share tags, you need to explicitly push them. To push a specific tag, you can use the command git push origin v1.0.0. This will push the tag v1.0.0 to the remote repository. To push all tags at once, you can use the command git push origin -tags. This will push all the tags to the remote repository. Alternatively, to push all annotated tags, you can use the command git push origin -follow -tags. To fetch remote tags, you can use the command git fetch -tags. Many Git hosting platforms such as GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket use tags to mark official releases and can automatically generate release notes based on these tags. Sometimes it may be necessary to delete tags, especially if they were created by mistake or need to be replaced with corrected versions. To delete a local tag, you can use the command git tag -dv1.0.0. To delete multiple local tags at once, You can use the command git tag -dv 1.0.0 v 1.1.0. To delete a remote tag, you can use either of the following methods. The first method is git push origin -delete v 1.0.0. The second method is git push origin :refs /tags /v 1.0.0. It is important to exercise caution when deleting tags that have been pushed and used by others, as this can cause confusion. You can check out a tag to view the state of your repository at that tag point in time. However, doing so puts your repository in a detached head state. To check out a tag, use the command git checkout v 1.0.0. This command will check out the specified tag and display a message indicating that you are in a detached head state. When you are in a detached head state, you are not on a branch. Any commits you make will not be part of any branch and may be lost when you check out another branch. If you want to make changes based on a tag, it is recommended to create a new branch from the tag. To do this, use the command git checkout -b hotfix /1.0.1 v 1.0.0. This command will create a new branch named hotfix /1.0.1 from the tag v 1.0.0 and switch to the new branch. When working with Git tags, there are several best practices to follow. First, use semantic versioning to clearly communicate the nature of changes in your releases. The versioning scheme is structured as major, minor, and patch, such as v1.2.3. Second, use annotated tags for releases, as they contain valuable metadata, like the tagger's name, date, and message that provide context. You can create an annotated tag using the command git tag -av 1.0.0-m, release version 1.0.0. Tag on stable branches like main or master, or dedicated release branches, and not on feature branches. Finally, tag after CI/CD verification to ensure that the code passes all tests before creating a release tag. Remember that tags are immutable references, so once shared, avoid changing or deleting them. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.